Friends, Namaste. I am Sridhar Banigiri, welcoming you to my channel. Today, I want to share with all of you an important relationship, between a parent and a child. The parent and a child relationship, how it is, I will share my experiences. See, every parent wants their child to do well or their children to do well. No parent does not want their children not to do well. Every parent wants their children to be successful. So they have that love to their children. That no corruption is there in that love. There is always inner way. They have inner feelings. They have a very good affection to their children. And what they do whenever we communicate or whenever we talk to the children, we don't communicate this. We always talk to them about rules, regulations, what to do, what not to do. All these things will be keep on telling them. Most of the time the children know they will always have the disconnect between the parents. Most of the parents and child relationship is like that. The disconnect is, oh, my dad always he'll keep telling me this and keep telling me to do that, to do this. He's very strict and he'll always put lot of rules. So this is what every child or most of the children will be thinking about their parents. And they will feel my dad doesn't love me or my mother doesn't love me. This is what they have their feelings with them. They are very strict. That is how they will be thinking. And especially if they don't do well, we give more instructions to them and we put more conditions to them. And those conditions and the restrictions what we put on them still makes their belief very strong that the parents are definitely strict and they don't love them or they don't have care for them. My one example I want to share with you, my viewers. Say when I was a student and when I was a college student, whenever in a childhood days, my dad used to tell me to read always, study always, be strict, get good marks. So whenever he used to see me, this is what he used to tell. So, but when he used to say that, he used to say many things also, but this is what used to catch. So I used to think, oh, my dad is fearing about my future too much. That is why he's telling all this. I used to always think like that. My dad is having his own fears, and also I used to think my dad is doubting my ability to study. So this is what I used to think. But now as a parent, I am realizing that it was not doubt or it was not fear. It was his pure love towards his child to see that he studies well. That love he always wants to express it about. With that fear he used to express. Now I understand that fear what he used to have is nothing but love. This is what children's and parents disconnect is. See, when we are communicating with our children, we communicate to them in a different way, with restrictions and with lot of constraints. We communicate to them. The real inner feeling we are not able to share, or most of the parents, I'm not telling all the parents, most of the parents do not show the real nature to their children. If every parent looks into and finds out how his image is being perceived by the child, then he will know the difference between what he actually has as inner image and what actually is showing to the children. This disconnect or this difference he will know. And this difference and disconnect, whatever the parent realizes, will actually give him breakthrough in doubt about himself. Because every parent will think that I am doing the best to my child, but my child is not living up to the expectation. This doubt will always be there. This doubt has to be eradicated. Means whatever we are having inside the feeling to our children, the same feeling has to be shown to the children outside also. If we can do, then definitely we can have a good relationship. Parent and children's relationship will be very good. This I experienced very late, or of late I experienced this with one program was Swamiji Paramahamsa Nityananda was conducting. In that program I used to know, or I used to find out, in looking into me I could find out that I have different images and I project different images. This is what I really realized. That program which I am sharing with you is Inner Awakening program. If you want to know more, please see about the inquire about the details. That's what I want to tell. Namaste.